Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Dorisa Lianto Tandog. I'm 31 years old. My height is 4'11". I do not have any long-term medication and maintenance. I do not any history, serious illness and disease. I do not have any tattoo on my body. I have a live-in partner and no case. I am high school graduate in Central Sagbayan Alternative Learning System. I have a TESDA in situ housekeeping training. I have work experience domestic helper in Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. In country of Kuwait, there are 4 members, 1 couple and 2 kids. My duties taking care a newborn baby and all around except cooking. In country of Saudi, I serve 1 couple, 3 working adults and 1 child. My duties taking care 8 years old child. I do house work, cleaning, ironing and laundry the clothes. I willing to do cooking, marketing, gardening, car washing and taking care of pets like dogs and cats. I willing to share job with another Filipino. My future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, kind, honest, trust for me and hardworking woman and promise I do my best to fill my duties responsibilities. I'm looking forward to kids you, mom and sir. Thank you.